Hello Art Club, 3rd through 5th graders. I wanted to show you a video of what we did today on September 11th, 2020 in Art Club, just to make sure you understand what we're doing, okay? Or in case you missed the club. So what we're working on is what we want to learn how to draw. And since there was so many different answers, I'm just letting you choose what you want to learn to draw, and I'm providing you resources to help you learn how to draw those things. So what you're going to do is use your sketchbook and portfolio, and if you for some reason don't have one or can't find it, just use some regular paper, and you're going to go to almost the back where the Queenie Mackenzie page was that we already did for a regular art class, and you're going to flip the page once, and right here you'll see a drawing prompt, and it says social emotional skill, art element, and principle. Go to, let's see, we're going to skip the first part. It says, as we look at some of Queenie Mackenzie's art, look for how she used value and movement to make her art so magical. Okay, we did that already on Wednesday. Then use your responsible decision-making skills to think about how your choices affect your artwork. So the choices that you make and how to spend your time, it really affects your artwork, whether it gets better or it stays the same, or you could even forget how to draw some things. So we're going to talk about how to use our choices or our responsible decision making to become better artists. So we're going to set a goal for yourself by choosing something you would like to get better at drawing. So whatever you answered on the Google Classroom question when I asked, what do you want to learn how to draw in Art Club? That's what you're going to set as your goal, or you can change it. Just want to pick one very specific thing. So some people picked puppies, some people picked anime, some people picked flowers. So whatever you want, this is your choice. You're going to pick one thing to get better at drawing. Okay. So you're going to try your best to draw what you chose in box 1. So right here it says box 1 before. So this is where you're going to draw just as good as you can draw right now without practicing, without learning how to draw it, the best you can do. Don't worry what it looks like. This is just the best you can do right now. So you're going to do that right here in box 1. Okay. Now search YouTube for videos on how to draw your goal drawing. Well, I have provided links in Google Classroom to 4 different how to draw channels that are specifically for children. And hang on just a second, I have to get out of Zoom. And so you want to look at those links. You can explore all of them. They have many how to draw videos. I'm sure you can find more than one video on how to draw what your goal drawing is. Okay, so it says be responsible. That means make good choices, and make good choices about which YouTube videos you watch. Before you watch a video, ask yourself, will watching this video help me reach my goal? So if your goal is to draw a puppy better, are you going to choose videos about drawing houses? No, because that's not the right choice for you to meet your goal, okay? Are you going to just go watch cartoons on TV instead? No. If you have a goal, you want to use your time wisely so that you can achieve your goal, okay? So if you want to choose a video about how to draw a dog, yeah, because a dog is a grown-up puppy, so that would help. Or you could choose a video on how to draw a puppy or how to draw a doggy. So you want to choose a video that will help you reach your goal. Okay, you're going to ask yourself, is it a good choice? Then you're going to practice your goal drawing 4 times on the next page. So if you flip to the back of this page, you have 4 different boxes. It says my first practice here, my second practice here, my third practice here, and my fourth practice here. So you could choose a different video for each practice. You could replay the video and practice it 4 times, but practice makes perfect. And with art, we have to practice a lot to get better at drawing or to learn how to draw something. So you're going to practice that 4 times on the next page. Remember, practice makes us better artists. When you are done, draw your goal drawing again in box 2. So box 2 right here, it says after. So you already drew your before picture. That means before you practiced. Now, after you practice 4 times, you're going to draw your after picture. Look at the difference. Do you think that making good choices makes you a better artist? Why? Yes or no? Why? So when you're all done with that and you have like a whole week to finish this is not due until next Friday. Actually, I'll probably make it Thursday night, okay? You're gonna do a Flipgrid video and you're gonna say, hi, my name is, so I'll practice. Hi, my name is Mrs. P. And my goal was to get better at drawing flowers. So I did my best to draw a flower here in the before box, and I practiced 4 times by watching how to draw videos, and then I drew in this after box. Can you see the difference? So I would have, my first drawing might not be so good because I hadn't really learned yet how to draw the flower. But my next picture, that after picture, will be really good because I practiced at least 4 times. And we want to look at the difference and we want to share our progress with each other to encourage each other. Look, I practiced so much and I got better. And we're going to get to see the difference in each other's before and after drawings. Now, artists do this all the time, especially on Instagram. They'll put up a picture of something they drew, like let's say 3 years ago or 5 years ago, and they have spent all those years practicing, drawing every day. And then they'll put up a picture that shows this is how I draw now, and they'll put them right next to each other, and you'll be like, wow, they have improved so much. So I'm going to show you where the links are. So if you go to your Google Classroom, let me save this. I'm working on your assignment. Okay, so when you go to how to draw, it says how to draw YouTube channels. First, let me back out of here so you can see. In your Google Classroom, you should see Art Club. You should see Art and Library. You'll see PE and Dance, and you'll see your homeroom teachers' names as well. So if you don't have Art Club and Art and Library, you need to have your parents send me a message on Class Dojo or comment in one of your classes so that I can help you get into Art Club or Art and Library. So we're going to go to Art Club, and we're going to go to Classwork up here at the top, and it's going to say how to draw, and it's how to draw YouTube channels. So I have put 4 different channels on here: Art for Kids Hub, Cool Kids Art, Draw So Cute, Cartooning Club. And you can check out all those links and just look around and find a video that you think is good for you to help you reach your goal. So I'm going to go to Art for Kids Hub. That's one of my favorite. I'm going to check this out. Let's see here. Let me see. If I want to get better at drawing a flower, which video should I pick? Should I pick a video about birthday cakes? No. Should I pick a video about bananas? No. I need to pick a video about flowers. So I don't see any right here. So what I'm going to do is up here in the search, I'm going to put Art for Kids Hub, and then I'm going to put my goal drawing, flowers. Hit enter to search. Look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are at least 12 videos. Oh my goodness, I could practice 12 times and I could get really good at drawing so many different kinds of flowers. Or I could just pick one and get really, really good at drawing that type of flower. Okay? So the first step is I'm going to do my best to draw all on my own without a video on box 1. Then I'm going to watch the videos and I'm going to practice at least 4 times. If you want to practice more, you can use a different piece of paper. Then when I'm done practicing at least 4 times, I'm going to go back and I'm going to do my after drawing and I'm going to see the difference. Then I'm going to go on Flipgrid. There's a link in this assignment to Flipgrid. It's the same Flipgrid we're going to use for all our art club projects. And I'm going to share a video where I show the difference and how much I have improved. And maybe I could even talk about how I felt and what decisions I made so that I could get better at drawing my goal drawing. Okay, if you have any questions, just comment in the assignment and I will do my best to help you. You got this.